Liver health is crucial for overall health. Having an unhealthy liver can lead to liver disease and metabolic disorders. Type 2 diabetes is the most common cause of liver disease. Although it may be impossible to manage all risk factors, consuming certain foods and drinks may help promote liver health. We will cover the best 15 foods for liver health. Number 1. Coffee. One 2014 review suggests that over 50% of people in the United States consume coffee daily. Coffee appears to be good for the liver, especially because it protects against issues such as fatty liver disease. The review also notes that daily coffee intake may help reduce the risk of chronic liver disease. It may also protect the liver from damaging conditions such as liver cancer. A 2014 study suggests that the protective effects of coffee may be due to how it influences liver enzymes. Coffee, it reports, seems to reduce fat buildup in the liver. It also increases protective antioxidants in the liver. The compounds in coffee also help liver enzymes rid the body of cancer-causing substances. Number 2. Oatmeal. Consuming oatmeal is an easy way to add fiber to the diet. Fiber is an important tool for digestion, and the specific fibers in oats may be especially helpful for the liver. Oats and oatmeal are high in compounds called beta-glucans. As one 2017 study reports, beta-glucans are very biologically active in the body. They help modulate the immune system and fight inflammation, and they may be especially helpful in the fight against diabetes and obesity. The review also notes that beta-glucans from oats appear to help reduce the amount of fat stored in the liver in mice, which could also help protect the liver. More clinical studies are necessary to confirm this benefit in humans, however. People who are looking to add oats or oatmeal to their diet should look for whole oats or steel-cut oats rather than instant oatmeal. Instant oatmeal may contain fillers such as flour or sugars, which will not be as beneficial for the body. Number 3. Tea. Tea is widely considered to be beneficial for health, but evidence has shown that it may have particular benefits for the liver. A 2020 review of 15 studies found that green tea reduced levels of liver enzymes in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. A 2017 review found that people who drank green tea were less likely to develop liver cancer. The lowest risk was seen in people who drank 4 or more daily cups. Number 4. Garlic. A small 2016 study suggests that supplementing the diet with garlic powder capsules can reduce body weight and body fat in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, with no loss of lean body mass. Weight loss is beneficial for many people, as being overweight or having obesity is a contributing factor to NAFLD. More studies in humans are necessary to determine whether or not eating garlic would have the same effect. Number 5. Berries. Many dark berries, including blueberries, raspberries, and cranberries, contain antioxidants called polyphenols, which may help protect the liver from damage. A 2013 study in rats suggests that blueberry juice supplements could increase antioxidant capability in the liver. The study also suggests that blueberry juice could help alleviate liver fibrosis. However, more human studies are necessary to verify this benefit. Number 6. Grapes. One 2014 study suggests that grape seeds, as well as the skin and pulp, contain a significant amount of antioxidants. These antioxidants seem to be associated with protection from some causes of liver damage. Eating whole, seeded grapes is a simple way to add these compounds to the diet. A grape seed extract supplement may also provide antioxidants. Number 7. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains 2 primary antioxidants. These may help protect the liver from injury by reducing inflammation and protecting the liver cells. A 2019 study suggests that naringein may protect against alcohol-induced liver steatosis by reducing oxidative stress. However, several medications that are metabolized in the liver can interact with grapefruit, so people should check with a doctor before adding grapefruit or grapefruit juice to their diet. Number 8. Prickly pear. The fruit and juice of the prickly pear may also be beneficial to liver health. A 2014 study in rats with obesity suggests that compounds in the fruit may be beneficial in the treatment of NAFLD. However, human studies are necessary to confirm this. Most research focuses on extracts from the fruit, however, so studies that focus on the fruit or juice itself may also be necessary. Number 9. Fatty fish. Consuming fatty fish and fish oil supplements may help reduce the impact of conditions such as NAFLD. Fatty fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are the good fats that help reduce inflammation. These fats may be especially helpful in the liver as they appear to prevent the buildup of excess fats and maintain enzyme levels in the liver. Number 10. Nuts. Eating nuts may be another simple way to keep the liver healthy and protect against generally contain unsaturated fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. These compounds may help prevent NAFLD and reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Number 11. Olive oil. Eating too much fat is not good for the liver, but some fats may help it. Replacing less healthy fats with olive oil may help reduce oxidative stress and improve liver function. This is due to the high content of unsaturated fatty acids in the oil. However, the clinical data on olive oil benefits for people with NAFLD are currently scarce. Number 12. Avocado oil. Folks with fatty liver tend to have a condition known as insulin resistance. This means that your body can make insulin but cannot use it efficiently. Insulin is made by your pancreas and helps carry glucose, aka sugar, out of your bloodstream and transports it into your body to be used by your cells. Someone with insulin resistance can have insulin build up in the bloodstream, and this can affect your liver too. A 2019 study in the FASEB journal found that avocado oil can help decrease liver inflammation associated with non-alcoholic fatty liver. All the more reason to top your grain bowl with avocado. Add it to your smoothies, scoop up some guacamole, or substitute high-heat canola or vegetable oil with avocado oil. Number 13. Turmeric. Curcumin in turmeric is the main bioactive agent that has a hepatoprotective effect. It helps to protect the liver from liver diseases and injury by reducing inflammation, minimizing oxidative stress, and improving lipid metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Number 14. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a source of nitrates and antioxidants called betalains. Animal studies have shown that beet juice may help reduce oxidative damage and inflammation of the liver. Number 15. White bread. White bread and other refined grains are often low in fiber and high in sugar, which can contribute to liver damage. It is important to choose whole grain options whenever possible. Being mindful of what we eat is essential for maintaining good liver health. Avoiding unhealthy foods and choosing liver-friendly options and drinks can go a long way in keeping the liver functioning optimally.